What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Seth the Lawn Surgeon. Y'all probably already seen my video, my tipsy talk about the Gator blades. Been loving these Gator blades. Been dealing with this wet grass for like a month now, and these Gator blades I think have changed the game. As you can see, my lawnmower's covered in grass, wet grass. Alright people, as you can see, this grass is ridiculously wet. I attempted to try to cut it at 3.5, which I thought was too low. I ended up raising the deck, but just look at the grass flying out. It is literally flying out. What's that, 2 stripes, and it's flying out all the way into the street. That's that thrust of the clippings that I was talking about. Even when it's wet or whatever, the mower with the Gator blades still thrusts that stuff, and that's key in these situations where you have wet grass. When you're able to spread out your clippings and it doesn't just come out right beside, then you're able to chop them up finer. So right here, I'm over by the driveway, and what I'm doing is, first thing I'm doing, I'm blowing off any clippings from this driveway back onto the yard. I know this is an extra step, but it's gonna be well worth it in the process, because basically I want to chop up these clippings. If I just leave them on the driveway, finish cutting the yard, then I'm gonna end up having to blow them back in the yard. Might as well take this extra step, especially when it's wet out there, to blow it back in the yard so it can get chopped up. Second thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to displace or dislodge the cow patties. I like to call them cow patties. It's basically those little areas of grass that got matted down by the tires. And if you notice, it might look fine when you leave, but in like a couple of days it's gonna turn brown, and the customer's gonna have little spots of brown. And so by going through the yard and dislodging those cow patties, the next time I go over it, it'll chop it up, because if I don't dislodge them, they'll just be in the same path of my tire and it'll be purposeless. So taking that extra effort, taking the extra time, dislodge those cow patties, people. Alright people, still got a trim and below and all that. You see all the grass there, but Not too shabby for them good old Gator blades, if I do say so myself. I started at 3.5, and I was like, well, that's way too low. Then I went up to 4 inches, and I realized that was too high. So then the second time, came back at 3.75, and I would have liked it to be about 3.5, but yeah, it is what it is. Anywho, I'm gonna finish getting this yard cleaned up. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. See you soon.